don't take it. Take it, just don't breathe and live my life. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying.
Royals, we're jumping right into spring with my Spring It On, Clean and Decorate with me. And today, as you can see, it is all about my living room. As you will see, my technique is simple. I simply clean from the top down.
Everyone keep looking like you, I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet.
Although this is a spring cleaning video, this is my technique of cleaning seasonally. And then I come in throughout the season and give everything a nice wiping down of sorts. But here everything is being detailed. The walls, the ceilings, everything. Here we go. Now focusing on the ceiling fan. And the reason for this top-down technique, you guys, is because once you're cleaning the ceiling fan, although the Swifter that I'm using is grabbing a lot of the dust, some debris may fall to the floor or to your other furnishings. So I not only clean with the Swifter, but I come back with the Clorox wipe and just wipe everything off. And as you can see, it was dirty. So this is just a technique to use so that you don't have to go back and double work yourself. If you clean from the top down, you ensure that all residue is being cleaned from one phase to the next. Don't forget those votives. Moving on now, you guys, to my sofa. And this is a velvet sofa that I recently had recovered. And as opposed to vacuuming it, it doesn't get a lot of traffic in this space. So I like to take my lint roller and just go over, and it picks up any dust or debris on the sofa. So this technique has worked for me so far. And you guys know I love to say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So this technique works for me. And I am going to now flip the cushions just to ensure that they are nice and balanced. But before I do that, I'm going to take my handy dandy Bissell. You guys, this was the best $19.99 that I ever spent. I picked this up a couple of years ago once I purchased the new area rug. And I love the detachable feature here. And I just take it and suction out the seat just to get anything that may have fallen in between the cushions. I am in the market for a cordless vac, but this baby, she gets the job done. Again, this is the only carpeted surface or fabric surface that I have in the home, so there was no need to invest in a big vacuum cleaner at the time, but now it's that time. So now that I have that done, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum because I will be cleaning this rug. You guys, I've had this rug for almost 2 years. I'm embarrassed to say, but I'm being transparent here, so no judging. I've had it almost 2 years. I think I bought it in the summer of 2019. And I've never cleaned it. I just vacuum it because I figured it's not a high traffic area, so it wouldn't be dirty. We are about to see the truth of it all. Again, this is a vacuum that I've been using. It's not a high traffic area. One would think it's cool, right? Do not underestimate the power of dirt, you guys. Although you don't see it, that does not mean that it is not there. And I'm about to show and prove to you how that statement reigns true. But before I vacuum or clean the carpet, I'm going to go ahead and style the sofa so that I don't have to walk back over this space again. Again, I like to work smarter and not harder. So I'm going to go ahead and style the sofa so you get to see that ahead of time. But I wanted to ensure that I don't have to, again, walk back over this space once the carpet is wet. And not only, you guys, is aqua or Tiffany blue my favorite color. I think for the spring season, it is just like the quintessential color. I love it. It just gives me all of the warm and cozy feel. So now we're going to style my love seat in the same color scheme, of course, because everything has to coordinate. Now, guys, let's get into the cleaning of this rug. This is the Hoover Power Wash, I believe it's called. I picked it up during Black Friday, and I wanted to just give it a whirl since we were cleaning. I said, let me just give it a go and see what happens. And to my disbelief, you guys, this carpet, as I'm showing hubby now, I am sharing with him my utter surprise at how filthy this area rug is. And I just could not believe it. And I think I became a little obsessed with it because I did about 2 passes with it. But you guys, you will see that this rug needed to be cleaned. So this will become part of my seasonal cleaning from here on out. But I absolutely love this carpet cleaner, and I will have it linked, you guys, in my Amazon store if you want to check it out. But it is amazing. And what I love about it is that when you go forward, it cleans, and when you pull back, it dries. So I didn't have to wait for it to actually dry because it's doing it as I am cleaning. But the suction on this baby, look at that. Oh my God. Again, I'm being transparent, so no judging. But yes, this was the result of this rug that got very little traffic. And look at this. This is so satisfying, yet a little embarrassing at the same time, but I digress. Yes, yes, and yes, you're seeing it, but it's okay. Moving on now, we're going to clean the windows. And in the midst of me cleaning, you guys, this is a clean and decorate. So we're going to be doing a little bit of makeovers. You're going to get to see me bring some new pieces into the space. So I am really excited about this. I apologize for the lighting here, you guys. But again, when styling around a window, it just, you already know. But I have to pull the blinds up after I clean them with the Swiffer. I'm coming in now with the spray way to clean the outside windows, and then we'll power wash the outdoors to give it a nice spring cleaning as well. That's done. Now we're going to add the decor. I picked up these Tahari window treatments from Home Goods. They are beautiful, you guys. I absolutely love the colors and textures of it. So we're going to just add a little bit of refresh or makeover into the space as we're cleaning. And you know it wouldn't be me if there wasn't some singing and dancing involved, because that's the way I get down. When it comes to cleaning or decorating, I love to enjoy what I'm doing. I love cleaning and decorating. So music just adds to the joy of that. So let's get these curtains hung and complete the styling of this space. Just playing around with them, getting them just so. So the finishing touch here would be these beautiful champagne colored tie backs. They are absolutely gorgeous. I picked those up at Ross several years ago because you guys know that I shop my home and pick items to bring a new look and feel into each space. And the living room is no different. I love these, you guys. Few final things to touch up, you guys. I purchased this beautiful mercury glass mirror from Home Goods back in December, and I'm finally taking the tags off and just cleaning everything up and getting it styled in the space. I also pulled in a mirrored trim bench from my bedroom just to complete the look and feel of this space. Again, I shop my home to just bring in different items into the space. And there's nothing like a big, beautiful mirror to give the space a more open look and feel. And so now, you guys, here are my new pieces. I absolutely love this coffee table, you guys. I picked it up a few weeks ago from Overstock, and I will link that in the description box. But it is beautiful. It has given me all of the vintage Parisian glam that I am going for in this design. I love the oval, unique shape of it, the vintage feel, and it just sits perfectly in this area. So we're going to clean it up. Now that that's done, you guys, on to the fun. Let's style this coffee table. Guys, I purchased this candlestick set from a flea market for $15 about 2 years ago, and I promise you, they are probably my favorite accessories in my entire home. They just pick up all of the finishes and the details of what I love in design. It's vintage, it's luxe, it's definitely glam, and one of a kind. That's the way that I like to design. So they are perfect for me. Adding a few coffee table books. Gotta add florals, right? So let's stack that there. And a few more pieces to bring the look together. I have so fallen in love with this little diamond and pearl trinket box, so it's become a staple on the coffee table. And to bring in that splash of spring, let's bring in these beautiful teal mercury glass eggs. Cleaning is officially done, and what I end up with is a beautiful romantic space that gives me all of the spring vibes that my heart desires, and the beautiful color scheme of Tiffany blue, ivory, and a splash of pink. It is absolutely screaming spring, and I love it. Now, if you are new to the channel and you see what you like and you like what you see, I want to invite you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the royal family. As you see, we are full of inspiration, motivation, and so much creativity. To my tried and trues and my brand new boos, you guys know that I love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. Yes, I see the elephant in the room, and not to worry, come back on Friday. We will do a full dismantling and restyling of the spring tree. So no, I didn't leave you out. I just have something special planned for it. If you have not already, join me on my other social media platforms. I can be found at Royalty Designs with Trevina on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Guys, I don't want you to miss one single video from this Bring It On cleaning series because I have so much more to share. So please hit your notification bells. Click them twice to make sure that you're always notified when I upload new content. So guys, until the next video, I want you all to please stay safe. Always remain royal. And I want you to have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. I'll see you in the next one.